Cheers, guys. So this new cut, this novel environment, those decorative flowers, is somehow a symbol of our LH Crypto's concern on the spreading coronavirus threat. However, we are not losing our sense of humor, and we'll try to bring you one of the best analytics in the series. So let's go. Well, crypto. Just like everything else, cryptocurrencies experienced one of the greatest downfalls in their history. Why so? Curious enough that cryptocurrencies, usually considered to be the safe bay in times of turmoil and crisis, just like it was throughout 2019 and 2018, for some reason they have lost their reputation and they totally followed all the rates of traditional fiat currencies, just like every other asset. The coin has fallen for thousands and thousands of dollars in a matter of just a couple of hours and touched the bottom of 3,600 for a few minutes, but now it's, well, has risen a little bit to 5,200 and around. This was definitely the year's minimum of the price. General capitalization, although still being the 2/3 of the market, is 141 billion USD, and if Bitcoin touches 6,500, it's highly probable that it will grow. The same opinion has Arthur Hayes, the CEO of BitMEX exchange. He thinks that the price will definitely follow the corridor of 6,000 to 8,000. Ethereum had a sharp fall too and touched the bottom of below 100 USD, but now it is 122 or so. Well, although Ethereum experienced certain problems and some sale or buy requests have been serviced for over 44 minutes, which is exceptionally long. Well, traditional markets, what were happening there? Well, forex, indices, commodities, well, everything fell. Even the usual safe asset, which is gold, has fallen too from its heights. Why so? Well, it seems that markets are touched with total panic since coronavirus is now in over 100 countries all across the planet, and many thousand people unfortunately died because of it. President Trump forbade all the flights to Europe for 30 days. Many countries are almost in a panic. After all, couldn't we expect that after Saudi Arabia threats to boost their oil production instead of cutting it, couldn't we not expect the falling oil prices? Well, like I said, many think that it was expected. However, financial institutions are not that rigid as they were in times of Great Depression, not to mention that they have learned a little bit to coordinate their actions. And so last 2 days saw the whole package of measures coming from all parts of the world. The Central Bank of Japan have promised the extreme and extensive pouring of cash into the market, the support of exporters and importers, as well as taxation cuts were followed by the Bank of China. European Central Bank have promised to pour liquidity and cash into the economy as soon as the demand appears, well, as if it is not now. Not to mention the Federal Reserve System offering the extensive auctions for over 1.5 trillion USD. So economy is now fed, or even to say overfed, with money, which led to quite a green and quite a pleasant bounce of the market this Friday. Be these measures successful, we will learn quite soon. But still, we have coronavirus at bay, we still have all those protective measures, we still have those slowing down of the global economy. Whatever it brings, we will collect the news and tell you in the next episode of LH Crypto Weekly Analytics. So see you next Friday. So take care for this time.